In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Walmart employee account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in one.walmart.com, press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of One Walmart. From here, you'll be able to log in to your employee account. For that, click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your user ID, country or region and simply select the location over here. Click on the field of user ID. Now enter the user ID over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply select the country or region. For that, click on the field of country or region. Now you'll be able to see various countries over here. Click on the country of your choice. Also select the location. Click on the field of location. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you enter all the credentials, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, simply follow through the prompts and you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Walmart employee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.